So today I want to talk about non-renewal notices. So this is a letter that comes from your insurance company where they inspect your roof via satellite images or Google images. And what they notice is that the roof is old, and they can tell that it's old by staining that's coming on your roof, or maybe some branches, things of that nature, where your roof has the image of looking like it's 20 years or older. So what they'll do is they'll send a letter and they say that you need to address the roof before a certain date. Typically that timeline is about a month to 2 months, and they leave it up to you, your responsibility as the homeowner, to contact a roofer or maybe a roof washer to get your roof cleaned off, but they're often looking for a clean bill of health on the roof. So one thing you could do is call us at 10 Point Roofing. We'll come out and inspect the property to see if you need to replace the roof or if it just needs a wash. We had this homeowner call us in Long Pond, and he had 4 weeks in order to get the roof addressed. Now, we were able to see some leaks around his skylights and around other places on his roof, so ultimately he did go with a roof replacement. A lot of people, when they get timelines in place, they want things done quickly. So getting us out there, our typical time to complete a project after signing a contract and receiving a deposit is about 2 to 3 weeks. So if you ever get that non-renewal notice, give us a call. We'll be able to help you out quickly and efficiently. If you have a roof that's dirty or old and you just want an inspection and an estimate so that you can prepare for the possibility of that happening, again, just give us a call and we'll be able to help you out.